Hi, I'm Christina with Tinagirl Travels. Today I'm going to show you the Pacsafe Vibe 25. I love Pacsafe products. You may have seen my other videos in the past. I have quite a few of them. We have the Pacsafe Vibe 20 bag, which looks very similar to this bag, and it's a bag that we use on a regular basis. I use it for work. My husband uses it to go on hikes. We take it on every single trip we go on because it's just so versatile. So I'm going to show you this bag, and I think this bag for the Pacsafe line is one of my favorites because it packs everything that Pacsafe is into one little bag. Perfect day bag. When you are on a vacation, bring this bag. Bring it as your bag that you take on the plane, and you'll carry it around every day. When you leave your stuff in your hotel and you go out, bring this bag with you. I'm going to show you all the great details and why you want this bag. Before we get into a close-up view of this bag, and I'm going to show you everything in great detail, I'm just going to show you an overview of this bag. So it has a front compartment right here, and this part here is what I use as my purse. So let's say we're going on a plane and I don't want to bring a purse and an extra bag. This part here becomes our purse, okay? This is where we keep our passports and all our pens, and here's a little compartment here that goes about halfway down. This goes all the way to the bottom of the bag, and then there's also this mesh area here. So I love this whole section of this bag because it actually really holds everything that you need in one place, really easily accessible. Another thing I want to tell you about is this bag has a built-in armor called eXomesh slashguard, and you can kind of feel it when you run your hand inside the front panel of the bag. It also has carry-safe slashguard straps to stop cut and runs. So all Pacsafe products come with the handy little booklet showing you the built-in details of the bag that you bought. So read that over before you recycle it. It has lots of interesting information in it. This bag only weighs 2 pounds, 2 ounces, so not even a kilogram. It comes in a few colors, and I'll add links to those in my description so you can check them out. The colors are pretty neutral, making it a great unisex bag. My husband Keith does not mind carrying it around all day. The next thing I want to mention is the smoothness of the front of the bag. I never thought of it until we used it on planes and trains with tight spaces. This bag easily slid out from under airplane seats without getting snagged and caught on everything. Let's have a quick look at the back of the bag. So the back is quite a large area here, holds quite a lot of stuff. It has a padded pocket back here, and also there's a little slot right here for a water pack, like a Camelback, where you can slide your water bladder in here, and the tubing just comes out of the hole here. So really versatile for that if you want to use it for hiking. Okay, but I'm actually going to load this bag right now just to show you how much stuff I can actually fit in this bag. So I'm going to put my MacBook Air right into the slot. This is a 13-inch laptop, and it fits very easily into the bag. Okay, and I'm going to put a water bottle in the side. Just to show you, to put the water bottle in, I'm going to have to undo that little snap. And in the other side, I'm going to put an umbrella. Oh, I've got my snacks in here already. I'm going to put the umbrella right in there, and I'll put my snacks in the bag in the bottom here. So I'm going to pop a jacket in the bottom here. In fact, I'm going to put 2 in there. I'm not going to be neat about it, just going to stick them in there, and we're going to put our beautiful passports right into the front section here, the RFID section, so they're protected. And I'm going to put my camera equipment in the front section as well, so that I have that easily accessible battery pack. And my wallet is going to go, actually I'm going to put the wallet in this mesh section right up here so that I can grab that easily, as well as my glasses. All right, so I'm going to bring you up close and show you how this amazing zipper system works. Okay, so I'm going to show you a close-up of the zipper system because it's a bit complicated. And when I first bought a Pacsafe product, I asked the salesman in the store like how this thing worked, and he had no idea. So I'm going to show you how it works because it's very ingenious. Okay, so these zippers actually have this little slot here. Both of them have a slot and they fit inside each other just like that. They clip together, not even clip together, they just slide together to become sort of one unit. And what you're going to do is actually slide it up to this locking system that's right here. And you're going to just pop it on like that, take the other one like this. And it seems fussy, but actually once you get used to it, it goes very quick. Then you're going to close this. Hang on, what have we got? Yep, okay. We're going to close that. And once that's closed, it's just as easy as that. You can go one step further and lock it just by sliding that like that. And now you can't easily open it, okay, without realizing that this is a lock. The next step you can go if you're worried about even more security is there's a little hole right there and you can put a little travel lock through there. So essentially it could be locked 1, 2, 3 different ways just to lock this. So I would say that's pretty secure. If you're dealing with pickpockets in the area, unless they're like Pacsafe experts, it's going to take them a lot to try and figure that out. I'm going to show you the next thing I think is really cool. And this one I have to play with every single time. This is the strap. And what you can do is, let's say you're at a restaurant or you're sitting in a park or something like that, and you have to, you're not watching your bag 100% of the time, but you need it safe. So when we were in Italy on the beach, we rented some beach chairs, and this came in super handy. We just wrapped the strap around the umbrella and the beach chairs. So, okay, so what you do is with this one, it has a turning lock. And like I said, oh yeah, this pushes in. And you have to actually hold this section. Hang on. Yeah, there. Okay. So the turning lock is actually on this strap section. Okay. And this is what the other section looks like here. And so it's a bit confusing, but that's okay. I find that okay. If I have to fumble with it, somebody else would have to fumble with it more. Okay. So you just slide that back in there and lock it into place. Again, another little loop right here where you can put a travel lock if you wanted to. Super easy. So turn, press, slide out, turn it, lock it. There you go. Awesome, awesome. A quick close-up of the straps. They are easily adjustable. They're built onto an elasticized strap so that they have some give to them. And I find this bag actually very comfortable to wear. This is my daughter, Juliana. She's going to model the bag for me. The Pacsafe Vibe collection offers a sling style bag, as well as 4 backpack styles, the Vibe 20. Then there's this one, the Vibe 25, meaning it holds 25 liters. There's a Vibe 28 and a Vibe 40. If you need an even bigger bag, you can check out a video I just posted on the Pacsafe VentureSafe EXP45. It's an amazing bag as well. I'll add links below to all the ones I just mentioned. Hey, I hope you enjoyed my video on the Pacsafe Vibe 25. If so, would you give my video a thumbs up? And please consider subscribing to my channel. I have a lot of great videos coming up real soon. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Travels, and I will see you next time.